What's up, guys? It's the Cobbler Boys. Cameron has been really into skateboarding, so he's going to teach us... What are you going to teach us?
I'm going to teach you guys how to ollie up a curb and go through how I learned to do it.
Well, without further ado, let's just get into the video.
So the first step in learning how to ollie up a curb is, of course, having a pretty good ollie and also having a good rolling ollie. Alright guys, so the second step is to find a small curb as the one in the picture. You want your curb to be a little smaller than most curbs, and take your board up to it and see if you can ollie onto it to make sure it is the perfect size for starting this process. So on my first attempt, I approached the curb at an angle because some people it helps them, it's easier for them, and I was trying to test it out, but on an angle I felt like I couldn't commit enough, as you can see in these couple attempts. So I decided I wanted to try the curb straight on and see how it went. Then I finally started committing. I then landed my closest attempt yet. So I was pretty happy with my progression so far and decided to call it for the day. At this point, I started getting really close to landing it. Then I finally got it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to leave a comment or a like if this video helped you get your first ollie up a curb.